Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what attracts people towards you. It's a pick a card reading. You need to choose one card, whichever you drawn towards. Let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who choose white pile. What attracts people towards you? So pile number 1. You won't leave the situations easily, or you won't walk away from the situation or people, whether it is serving you or not. You try to stuck with the situations, or you try to stick with the people. You don't leave people that easily, or you don't walk away from the friendships or relationships. This is what attracts most about you. You don't walk away from the people, and I can ask you are clingy, but you won't leave people, whether they are good for you or not. Still you want to stick with them. You don't cut the people, or you don't walk away from them. No matter what the situation, no matter what kind of people they are, you want to stick with them. So this is what people most feel attractive about you, because you won't leave them. So that is what attracts them. If you hold this kind of nature, you will attract a lot of narcissistic people in your life, because narcissistic people don't like people walking away from them. They won't do any good to people, but they want people in their life who can bear them, who can be with them, whatever their nature may be. They want people who can stick with them. I think you are such kind of person. You stick with people. If they are good people, okay, but if they are not good for you, whether it is a people or situations, learn to walk away from it. So actually this is what you are not walking away from the people or situations, whether it is good or bad and it is doing good to your life or not. You are not walking away from the people or situations. You love to stick with the people, you love to stuck in the situations. This makes attractive people towards you, because they think that you, whatever be the situation or whatever character or nature they may be, you won't leave them. This attracts them most, but this kind of nature attracts most of the time. Narcissistic people will get attracted towards you, which is not good for you. So this is the nature, or this is the quality. Not leaving people behind, or don't know how to walk away, I can say. You won't walk away. Maybe you know how to walk away, but you don't walk away from the people or situations. This makes attractive people towards you. So let's move on to pile number 2, who choose green pile. What makes people attractive towards you? People think you are blind. Pile number 2, people think that you are blind. You can't see. Maybe you can't identify people or their behaviors. You may be intelligent, but still you maybe towards people or with people you behave like you can't see the things, or you act like a dumb, I can say. You act like a dumb, or you can't see the things clearly. Are you stuck with the situations? Actually, these are weird things. Why people attract towards. You feel stuck, whether you are stuck or not. You feel stuck. You feel blindfolded towards the things, people, situations, whatever happening in your life. You can't see, or you behave like you can't see anything, or you trust everyone blindly. This makes people attracted towards you, maybe your innocent nature. Actually, you are not dumb, I think. As per card, you are not dumb. You are a very intelligent person. The thing is, you are that you have that mindset that you are innocent, you can't see things clearly, you are stuck, you feel stuck most of the times with people in situations. You're trapped by your own mind. You don't need anyone to trap you. You're trapped by your own mental state, or it is your own thoughts. You're trapped by your own thoughts. You can see clearly. You can come out of the situations. You can help yourself. But you present yourself to the people like you can't help yourself. You are stuck with the people or situations. You can't see things clearly. You need help. You feel or you present yourself like you need someone to get you out from this trap. Actually, you yourself is more than, and you are not at all trapped. It is your mind. It is your own thoughts. It is your own thoughts that you cannot do anything alone. You want people. Maybe that's why you depend on people, I think, to help you to come out of the situations, to come out of relationships. So you behave like an innocent, or if you look like innocent also, you are more enough. You have that more knowledge, enough knowledge to get out of your own situations. You don't need anyone. But whether you don't know, just because of your mental thoughts, that you think that you are trapped and you need someone help to come out of it, so you go for help to others. So this nature of dependent on others, you feel trapped. So whenever you feel trapped, you feel that you need someone to depend or someone to help you to come out of that situation, come out of that relationship. So you depend on it, someone. So you need help, people's help. So you go for that help, or you act like, or you behave like you need help, or you even yourself think that you need help. Without someone help, you cannot come out of this situation, or anyway situation or problems, whatever you have. So you feel like that. So you go for help, or you look for help, someone to come and help you. So this is what people attract towards you. This is your own mental thoughts actually. Eight of Swords is totally, it is our own mental thoughts. We are enough to get out of it. Our power is more enough to get. Actually, we are not at all trapped in this actually. The situation, whatever you will be, you are not at all trapped. But you feel You feel like you trapped somewhere. If it is a relationship, you feel like you trapped in that relationship. Actually, you can easily come out of it, but you feel your thoughts, you will keep such kind of thoughts. So mentally you feel that you trapped in that relationship and you need someone to help you to come out of it. And this weak person, I can say, you behave like a weak, you cannot help yourself. So this attracts people towards you. But if you are in this kind of energy, you will attract lot of manipulative people, I can say. You won't attract healthy people in your life. If at all you are in this relation, in this energy, you won't attract healthy people in your life. Actually, this is your attractive nature which will attract people in your life. But as per my knowledge, as per this card, you attract lot of unhealthy people, whether it is a relationship, friendships. You attract lot of unhealthy people which are not good for your life. You attract such kind of people in your life. So change this behavior. This is not a good energy actually. It attracts people, but it is not a good energy to be in. So let's move on to pile number 3. Who choose blue pile? What attracts people towards you? Pile number 3. You are not responsible person. You don't think about money. You are not materialistic person. This attracts people. Maybe you give more importance to people rather than materialistic things. You give importance to your friendships and relationships before giving importance to materialistic things. You keep people first before materialistic things. So this attracts people towards you. I cannot say it is a kind nature in the energy. It is totally like you don't care about money in front of people. This attracts people, but it is not good for you. I'm not telling that you should give importance to money, but you should learn how to balance. You should learn how to balance emotions and logic. You give more importance to emotions rather than logic. This is what attracts people, because you give importance to them instead of giving importance to anything in your life, especially materialistic things. You give importance to people. You don't think logically, like I said. You are not a logical person. So this attracts people because you don't think logically. You are not a logical person. It is not that you are emotional also. It is simply you don't think logical. You should be logical. That is what you need, balance. People attract towards you because you won't see logic. You simply give importance to people when it comes to materialistic things and people. You give importance to friendships, relationships instead of your needs, and I can say needs. So instead of needs and materialistic things, you give simply importance to friends, family, relationships. But it attracts people. That's why people attract towards you, because you give importance to them. You give first priority to them. That's why people attracted towards you. Or this nature you put people you put people as a first priority, this nature attracts people towards you. But it is not good for you. You need to learn how to balance. Being materialistic is not good, totally materialistic, but at the same time, you should be logical. Having friendships, relationships, family, everything is okay, but you should be logical. You should learn how to be logical. Maybe you are not logical person. That's why people attracted towards you, I can say. But learn how to be logical. It won't do good in long run. Let's move on to pile number 4. Who choose red pile? What makes people attractive towards you? So pile number 4. You are a heartbreaker. You break people's heart. You don't entertain people's BS in your life. This attracts people towards you. They know that you are a heartbreaker, you won't entertain their BS, and you are not a people pleaser. This nature, this bold nature, or I can say this not giving F to the people. This nature, this attracts people towards you. You keep priorities and you prioritize things which is good for you. You simply won't give priority to anyone in your life. You will have your own priorities and you will make that priority list according to your wish. That's what. Simply you are not a people pleaser. You do what you want to do. If your actions break someone's hearts also, you don't give F. You do your thing. So that's why people think you are a heartbreaker. You won't do things according to people's wish. You do things according to your wish. So this nature attracts people towards you. They like your not heartbreaking nature, but independent nature. You don't depend on anyone. You don't depend on anyone, and you don't take any decisions depending on others' opinions. You do what is good for you and what should be done regarding to that situation. If it is in relationships also, you keep yourself as a first priority. This makes people attractive towards you. They get attracted towards you because of this nature. Your independent nature. You don't think much about what other people thinking, or you don't give much importance to others' opinions. So you are totally an independent person. So you are independent nature because you are not dependent on anyone and you don't take anyone's opinions. And if it is if your opinions, or I can say your decisions hurting someone also, if it is good, you will go for that decision. We don't care who is hurting because of that decision. and this independent nature attracts people towards you. Let's move on to pile number 5. Who choose yellow pile? What attracts people towards you? Pile number 5. You are a loving person. You show lot of emotions or compassion to the people around you, whether they are family, friends, normally. Whoever surrounded by you, but you give lot of love and affection to people who are around you. You don't hesitate to offer cup of love. You show your emotions freely. You don't hide your emotions. You show your emotions and you show your love, your compassion, your caring nature to the people around you, whether they are family, friends, whoever. You are a loving person, I can say. You are a very lovey-dovey person. So this attracts people towards you. Your lovey-dovey nature attracts people. You are always in the loving nature. You are in touch with your emotions, or I can say you are always emotional person, I can say. You work with emotions. So whatever you do in your life, you do with emotions. Or you connect with others' emotions also. This is what makes people attractive towards you. You can understand others' emotions because you yourself are an emotional person. So you understand what exactly other person is feeling emotionally. So you easily understand others' emotions also. You can easily get in touch with others' emotions. This makes people attractive towards you because you are very easily understand their emotions. So thank you for watching. For more readings, like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.